What's up, guys? Tony here. Just wanted to show you my aquaponics. Right now it's morning, still October, and it is raining. The rain just gave up for a little bit, so came out here to show you what it looks like out here. Alright, there I got some lettuce, growing pretty good. Got some basil, they're growing pretty good. I keep trimming them down, then I harvest some basil and make pesto. Do have a little eggplant over there. He hasn't had eggplant yet. If you look over there, I got some green onions. Yeah, this is what my system looks like now. There's the water flowing. Alright, yeah, I want to show you the rain. My aquaponics in the rain, I mean. There's some tomato trees, green onions. Alright, guys. Then I got some spinach. I love this spinach right here. I eat them every week. But all I do is take my clippers and I clip some off. Make some Caesar salad out of them. Then I grew some more butter crunch lettuce down there. I sprinkled some seeds from the tree that was bolted and had little seedlings. I want to see if they'll grow. And down here, we got some butter crunch down in there. And this is what happens when it rains, guys. Here's my tank. Got a little block in there. There's my big air pump. There's my tilapia inside the tank, hiding. Check out my water level to the top. Yep, getting there pretty close. This is about as high as usually make my water, but I wanted to show you guys that, yep, make sure you watch that water level. It does evaporate. So if you're seeing a lot of rain in the forecast, make sure you watch out for that so you don't spill out. I put this screen on top, as you can see. You look down, I put them on top and I put some PVC pipe across to try to keep it up. And every day, see how it builds all this leaves and whatever. I just take my hose and rinse them. I add dechlorinator once in a while, but my tilapias, they're in just the tap water. Here, I'll take this off and show you how big they are. Check them out, guys. Some big monster tilapia down there. Loving it. Didn't see any babies yet, but there could be. Put this net on the top for some privacy for them. Hopefully they'll breed. And I added some pipes in there. You can see, so they have a little space to go in and out. In case there's babies in there, they got places to hide. I added a brick down on the other side. It's hard to see though because of the glare. Yeah, I put some brick in there. That's what they look like right now. I just fed them, so they're pretty happy. And look out. Alright. Okay. Yeah, I want to show you that. And I do have this swirl filter inside here. And I got another breeding tank down here. They're doing okay. Here's my other tank. There's all the tilapia. It's a beautiful day though because it's cloudy and overcast and rainy, so now you can really see the tilapias. A lot of my friends were asking what my tilapias look like. Well, there you go, guys. Beautiful. They're just swimming around in a tank. And you guys want to know what ginger looks like when you grow up? This is what ginger looks like. Just go down there and then you harvest them later, but yeah, you keep them growing like this so the ginger gets bigger. I got some rosemary right here. More spinach. I don't know, they say spinach is pretty good for you. We'll see. And I do have some rare Okinawan spinach. See if I can find the plant. It's right here. Rare Okinawan spinach. As you can see, have red on the bottom, green on the top. Alright. I just grew some green onions in there. Just planted a whole bunch of stuff in there just so you can see what grows. This is my media, black cinder. You guys can see it looks like this. Do pretty well. And there's my drain. That's how it looks like. Still flowing down pretty good. And we got my ponds. still going. I'll show you my baby guppies in here. Check out my baby guppies. They look pretty happy in there. Feed them all the time. Threw some tilapia food in there. Some baby tilapia in there, but I haven't seen them come out yet. I think they're orange. They're really small. They're not bothering the guppies. I got some duckweed in there. Show you that. Alright guys, I'll leave you on a note here with my tilapias again for my end screen. There's a little brick I put in there for them to hide. They love it in there. Alright guys, hit the like button. Later on when you feel like you want to watch some more, hit subscribe. Take care.